Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will explain the procedure of downloading and installing Anaconda, since I need Jupyter Notebook to practice our Python examples. And one thing that I should mention here, once you are installing Anaconda, you do not need to install Python separately. What we will do first, we will visit the Anaconda website, then we will choose the version that we require. Since I'm using Windows, so I will choose the version which is good for Windows, and if you are using MacBook, you have to choose the version which is for MacBook. Then I will download the installer. By double clicking, I will run the installer, and then I will follow the installation instruction. Let's go to visit Anaconda website. I'll just write Anaconda, then I will just visit the website. Then here is an option called free download. I will just click on that. Then there is since I'm using Windows, it's directly coming. So I will go to my history, full history. Since I have already downloaded, I will pass this one. I have already downloaded here Anaconda. I will just double click on this one, and then I will wait for installation process. I will just click next. I agree, next. This step, I am just choosing the path. It's better to use the default path, since if I click here, see it's just coming that the directory is not empty, since I have already Anaconda, and this Anaconda is for Python 3. But for you people, it will just come next, 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 and once you click on the finish button, you will get this like message, welcome to Anaconda. And then in order to know whether you have installed Anaconda or no, my mean is to verify whether the Anaconda is installed or not, just you can come in this, and here you can search for Anaconda prompt, and here you can just type this one, Conda version. If you are getting the Conda version, then Anaconda is installed already for you. So I'm getting the Conda version, then it shows that I have successfully installed Anaconda. And now if I want to open my Jupyter Notebook and write my first program in Python, I will come here. I can do two things. Either I can write Anaconda, and I click on this one, Anaconda prompt. This is one way, and the other way is just I can directly write Jupyter Notebook. I can double click on this one. When I double click on this Jupyter Notebook, it will open this type of page for me. This is the Jupyter Notebook page. But for me, since I'm using Google Chrome, it is open in Google Chrome. If you are using some other browser, it will directly open in some other browser. Then what I will do, here I have a new option. Here I can directly create a Python file, but I'm not, this is a not good practice. So first we have to create a good folder, and then inside that folder we will create our file. When I clicked on this new folder, the new folder will be created by the name of untitled. Let's come and find that folder which is created new. So here, see, it's untitled folder. Now I want to change the name for this one. I will select this one and go up here. I will just rename this one. I will just give the name of my folder like Python practices. Then I will rename the folder. Then again I will go and find that folder. See, here it is, Python practices. When I go inside that folder, now I can create my Python file. Like I can go to new Python 3, since I want to use the Python 3. Now the file which will open, this file will be a file which is Python, and I can write and I can practice my Python examples here. The first, for example, I will say print welcome to Python 3. So here there is a run button. I just click on run, it will run. And if I want to rename this file, then there is an option here for renaming. I will just go rename. I will say first program in Python. So just first pro. So this is the procedure of how we can do our first program in Python.